a recording and then we can start?
Yeah, I just started recording.
Okay.
So we can just start out with the second part of the preparation assignment as we have
Okay.
questions.
Can I ask a question real quick? What were you talking about the applet, the normal probability applet?
Yeah.
The textbook.
Do you know where it is?
I opened it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
It's
that
just
comes
like
in. You like plug in numbers and it tells you certain things. I don't remember. It tells you the area, but that means like
it's
something else.
like
I can tell you like
right?
what percentage. Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, so should we get started?
Yeah.
All right.
So the mean of all quantitative scores on the GRE is 150.8 with a standard deviation of 8.8. First on the is this the right assignment?
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting.
Okay. Because what did we answer? Did we answer the standard deviation and the mean? Oh, okay. I see now. Okay. Our normal. So that means the mean, the little u thing, equals 150.8, and the standard deviation, the O thing,
Is 8.8.
equals 8.8.
Yep. That's what I got.
8.8.
Yeah.
So B, what proportion? Sorry, go ahead.
Oh, well, I'm just having a hard time hearing you guys, so if I don't say anything, that's just because I'm trying to listen to what you're saying.
Okay.
Okay, go on.
I'll try to speak up. B, what proportion of the people who take the quantitative portion of the GRE will score above 65%?
100.
No, 1 point.
I got one.
Oh, above 1.165.
Above one.
Okay, sorry. I don't know why I can't read today.
Well, I saw the result. I saw the answer on the preparation assignment, the answer key, but I got it wrong, so I don't understand that one.
Yeah.
You don't understand?
The
Z-score on this. So to find that, we do the Z-score formula, which is
the proportion.
Yeah, the proportion minus the mean, all over the standard deviation.
Okay.
And did you do that part?
Yeah, I did.
And then once you get that part, I think you plug it into the probability applet.
Okay. Oh.
And
okay.
since we're looking at the portion of students what will they score? What portion will score above 155? We plug in the Z-score that we got, so that was 1.613.
3.6.
Was it? Yeah, 363. 363. And then you plug that into one of the sides. It doesn't matter when.
Okay.
1363, and then we press enter, and then we're looking for, was it below that score or above? Okay, above.
Yeah.
Above. Yeah.
So we highlight the area above the red mark on the right side, because that's above 165's Z-score. And then that's our answer.
Okay. Got it.
You understand?
Yeah.
It makes more sense.
Yeah.
It sounds really confusing
Yeah.
at first.
It sounds confusing, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like when you read it, it's kind of like weird. But then when you see the, I don't know if you saw the videos, when he's showing the little drawings, it's so much easier. It's not as complicated, but I think the reading part makes it kind of interesting,
Yeah.
Yeah. I
right?
hate it when people make math look easy.
I know, I know. All right, so let's see.
Let's see.
If a student's score is in the 10th percentile, what would their corresponding z-score be? Um, I don't remember how I found that. Does anyone else remember how they found that?
I'm kind of looking back on my thing.
I think I typed in the area on the z-score as 10%, and area. You know how it gives you a z-score? That's all I did. So on the probability applet, I just in area typed in 0.1, because that's and then it gives you the z-score.
So what do you type? Just point one?
Where it says area, I just put 10%, which is 0.1.
Uh-huh.
And then I hit return. It gives you the.
Okay.
And then you got. Then.
And then
Okay.
I got the z-score.
Okay. Which was negative 1.28.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. The hardest part is figuring out where to type in the numbers and what to click.
And
Yeah, I understood the percentile meant the average. I guess what I didn't understand when I looked at it was which side. Was it 1.282 or negative 1.282? You know? I didn't know why we took the left side score instead of the right side.
Hard when it was supposed to be, like when you were supposed to use the area box and when you were supposed to.
Yeah, well, no, I knew to use the area box because they showed an example of that. But I just didn't understand why it was negative instead of positive. The answer.
On each side, the right or left side?
Yeah. I mean, why wasn't it 1.2? Because I guess that would have been the 90th percentile.
Instead of the 10 percentile?
Yeah. Is that what it is?
I think so. That makes sense to me, but I'm not entirely sure, to be honest.
Yeah, it seems right, but
because that makes sense that it would be the 10th percentile versus the 90th.
It does make sense, just figuring out.
It is. Okay, it is then. So I guess it was the shaded area, and that's what told you to use the left.
Oh, okay.
Because of the shaded.
Okay.
All right. I think like this chapter is like about normal distribution and stuff like that. Z-scores. My dad, like his job has a lot to do with statistics, and he has his master's degree or something like that. And he's had to take like 4 or 5 statistics classes, and he says that the part about normal probability and z-scores is what always confuses him.
Oh wow, I don't know if that makes me more comfortable or like makes me feel better or worse. Like,
oh my god. Sure. So you have a tutor then? That's great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome. You know what the interesting thing here that I'm divorced and my ex-husband teaches statistics, college.
Oh.
And we don't talk, we don't communicate. So like.
So you don't have a tutor. The times you wish you could talk.
And when we were still together, he was taking classes, and he used to tell me about all these things I never pay attention because I'm like, oh, I'm never gonna use that stuff, changing diapers and stuff. And now I'm like, oh, should have listened.
Paid more attention. That's great.
I know. Anyways.
Okay, so we're on D.
We are on D.
What is the quantitative GRE score for a student who scores at the 10th percentile? So I guess this time we... Oh, I think we have to use like the reverse formula to find that.
The reverse?
Yeah, is that where we
Subtract?
do the... Yeah, is that where we do x equals z times standard deviation plus the mean, or is that something else?
We should have your dad in one of our meetings one of these days.
I know. I know. Oh, goodness.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to go to the tutor on Friday and see if I can figure more out.
Oh, that's good. I need to do that online. They can do it
Yeah.
online too, right?
Yep, that's the TA can do that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I think I know how to find this one actually. So our z-score was negative 1.282. So if we plug that in as our z-score, what we're looking for is a quantitative score, which is x. So we do use the reverse formula. I guess I just call it the reverse formula.
Yeah.
But that is x equals the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. And that was 140. I think. Was that right? Is that what you guys got?
That's the answer.
Yeah. That now. Yeah, I remember that too.
Okay. So number 7. The mean speed of hydrogen at room temperature is 1,800 m per second with a standard deviation of 600 m per second. At room temperature, the mean speed of hydrogen H2 particles is approximately normal with a population mean of 1,800 meters per second and a standard deviation of 600 meters per second. What is the probability that a randomly selected particle has a speed over 2,500?
What is the probability?
Do we use the apple in this one? Oh, okay, I remember how to do this one now. So the variable, like where we would put x in our z-score chart, in our z-score formula, that is 2,500. So the formula is 2,500 minus 1,800 over 600, and that equals 1.16667. And if you plug that into the probability applet as a z-score, you come up with 0.1217. Does that make sense?
It doesn't to me.
Yeah.
Do you understand, Marianne and Stephanie?
Yeah, I mean, the way she said it was exactly like they did it in the textbook. It was just you plug in maybe your problem is not understanding that the 2,500 is. What did you say? The x is the 2,500.
Yes.
And is that what you didn't understand, or?
Okay,
did you not
so
understand
okay,
the
hold
whole-
on. Here, I'm trying to figure it out myself. Hold on a second. So the probability
Yeah.
We're basically working with two formulas.
right.
The main one is in the textbook, and I don't have one right now, but it's the x. And you can go backwards or forward with. depending on what you need to do, what you need to find, you know,
Right.
depending on what the job is used for. And
I
so I
understand
think
the
where the problem
concept. I understand the
is understanding what
concept,
you
but
have
just
to.
okay. Yeah, yeah.
So I guess what the understanding we have, why is the 2500 the Z and not the X and not the, you know, we just
Uh-huh.
have to figure that out.
Okay. Okay, I get it here.
Okay.
So we just have to figure
Yeah, no.
part
I
of
got
the
it. Yeah, I got it.
part of the,
Sorry, ladies, I'm a little slow.
No, you're good. It's good to hear like it
Okay.
explained over and over again. I think it's really good.
Right. It does. Okay. All right, so should we move on to
Point is way
C?
yesterday.
Oh, it's cutting off. Hold on a second, okay?
I know mine like exited out for a while.
Oh yeah, mine too. So are we moving on?
Hold on a second, okay? I'll be right back.
Oh,
All
is
right.
she leaving? Oh, she's gone. No. Whoa. Do we have a time limit on the quiz?
I think it's like 2 hours or something. I think the standard
Oh,
2
so like
hours
it's
or
long.
something.
Because we might want to start taking a look at that. I don't know, just kind of get an idea of what's on it because I think she has to leave at.
11:20. So what did I miss? I'm sorry.
Oh no, we didn't talk about anything. I was just talking about how do we want to start the quiz
Oh, okay.
because you don't have so much time.
So do you want to just jump to the quiz?
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's start.
Because I think that'll be because we have to work out each problem.
We
It's
might
gonna
run
take longer.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. I put a note on the door saying that I'm in a meeting and they still knocked, so I'm not gonna open it. Somebody comes again. Sorry,
Okay.
ladies. Okay,
No, you're fine.
let's start the quiz.
Okay.
Because I think this will take us longer to kind of discuss and go through then.
Yeah, I think so too. So it's
Yeah.
lesson 5, right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
I'm kind of nervous about this.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, me
I am
too.
quite nervous.
Okay, so this time only one is gonna submit the quiz, okay? And then, okay, start the quiz right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want me to start reading?
Yep.
All right. While you are required to, okay, never mind. If needed, here's the link to the probability applet.
Okay.
The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal, and I think that was in the notes.
Yes. We're allowed to use our notes, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so. And
It equals 1.
Equals 1?
I have mine at equal.
Yeah, it has to equal 1.
Yeah, it does, uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
And under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. Is that no?
Yeah, that's false.
False. Okay.
It always lies. Oh, it says, yeah, the X is the horizontal.
Yeah, because I remember in the video he's like, it might look like it's like hitting the bottom, but it'll never
It
go below
doesn't.
it.
It never, yeah, that's what he said.
Okay. A normal distribution curve is symmetric.
True.
True. Okay, I'm feeling a little bit better. We got the first couple.
Me too.
Okay.
Use the
I
following.
expected.
Sorry, go ahead. Use the following image to answer the next 2 questions. Lovely picture. Which of the following elements of the figure represents the z-score? C?
Yeah, see.
Did you say B?
C.
C.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say. Okay.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1.000?
Greater.
Is that B?
B? Yeah, is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Mhm.
And according to the 68, 95, 99.7% rule, what percentage of data from a bell-shaped distribution will be within one standard deviation of the mean?
That would be 5%.
5%? Okay, so
Oh, wait.
So-
we're just,
Wait, no, 5% is more than deviations.
Okay, wait. The rule was percentage.
Oh, what the textbook said is 95% means 5% will be more than 2 deviations.
Okay.
So do you think that's what they mean?
I don't really understand the 68, 95, 99.7% rule.
It's
Well,
like,
the judges and the-
did you watch the videos? It explains like, yeah, it's
Oh,
hard to
I got
explain.
it.
Uh-huh.
It's 68%.
68%.
98%? 68.
68%?
No, 68% is within one division.
Okay.
Oh,
So-
let me check. I
So the answer is 0.68.
Yes.
Yes. Oh,
Okay,
do we?
it wants us
okay.
to write our
Rather than
answers as a percentage. So 68, I think.
so we have to write in percentage or
Yeah, we just write the number 68.
Oh, rather
Oh, we
than
don't write the 0.68.
yeah, because
Oh.
write your answer as okay. That right there. In the parentheses, it says.
uh-huh.
Okay. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of a z-score will be between -1 and 1? Okay, so if we type 1 in the z-score, like the upper z-score, and we highlight in the middle, that is 0.6827.
I'm afraid. So did you click on the thing, the link?
Yeah, so in the normal probability applet, they want us to find the area between -1 and 1. So we type 1 into the positive z-score, and then the -1 becomes -1. And we click the area between the two, and where it says area is where our answer is.
So what do you type?
In the
Like for the
One in the
answer or
z-
for the applet?
So just one, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Not the answer, no. But
No,
not the answer.
No,
That's
I'm
not the
talking
answer.
about the normal probability applet.
Yeah. So where
Okay,
it says
so you just-
z-score,
Mm-hmm.
you just
So
type
if
in
you
1.
type, but the answer is 0.
The answer, so we highlight the 1 in the middle.
and it's 68.27.
68.7.
Yeah, 0.6.
Sorry, I said that really weird. That was deceiving.
68. I'm sorry, I didn't get this. 68.7, but why? If I type 1 in the
No, it's not 68.7. It's 0.6827. So if you go to the normal probability applet and z-score, you type 1. So the one on the right, if you type 1, and then you just highlight the middle part of it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
The area will come up and it says 0.6827.
Oh.
It doesn't want 4 decimals, it wants 3, so it's 0.683.
Okay, you're right.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Got it.
Alright.
Okay.
suppose that z-scores come from a standard normal distribution. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of z-scores will be between -2 and 2?
Okay.
And so you do the same thing, right?
Also -2 and then 2 on the z-score, right?
Mm-hmm.
So it's 0.045?
Oh, I got 0.9545.
Yeah, that's what I got too.
You got 0.9545?
Yeah.
How's that? I put -2 on the z-score on the first one and then 2 on the second one.
Try just putting +2 or just like 2 on the right side, and it should just automatically be -2 on the other.
Yeah, if you press enter.
Yeah.
Hold on. So I just put 2 on the right.
Yep, on the right. And did you click enter?
I did, and then on the left it doesn't.
Does it say -2?
It does. So it's
Okay.
That's so weird. Hold on a second.
And if we round it, it'll be 0.955, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay.
Okay, number 11. Let's see.
And I think the next one is the.
Go ahead.
I was just gonna say that I think the next one is just with 3, a z-score of 3, right?
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. 0997.
099.
What was it?
0.997.
That's what I got.
Okay.
Look carefully at your answers to the last 3 questions. What do you observe? The values match the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. As the z-scores increase, the area between the z-scores decrease. The probabilities double as you move from z1 to z2.
I would say the values match the 68, 95, 99 rule.
Yeah, that sounds more.
Because it's
They
not
do.
the.
95 and 97. Or 99.
Yeah.
Right?
That's what I see.
Yeah. Seems to be what they're looking for. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in a protein requirement, a number of grams of good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body weight. The population mean protein requirement for adults is 0.65 grams P times K to the -1 times D to the -1. And the population standard deviation is 0.07 grams. What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is less than 0.60 grams? I'm confused now.
I was just going to say, I was like, I'm not sure.
This is the fun part, right? This is what we were talking about, right? That's what we started with early.
Yeah, because I was like, we're flying through this quiz. Oh, wait. Oh, goodness. And the next one is the same. Like,
it's the same?
Yeah,
Okay.
well, the next 6 questions deal with this problem, right? Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so the mean, so that's half of the
Okay.
population. Is that right?
Say that again.
Well, the mean is 0.6.
0.65.
Yeah,
and
Yeah, the
question
population
is,
mean protein requirement for adults.
And the populations and the deviation is 0.07. So we just need to find out what percentage, right? By popping that in.
What proportion of population?
Okay, hold on. Let's see.
Okay.
We have 0.7 is the deviation and the mean, so we put x minus 0.65 because that's the mean
Are we looking for the
over
z-score?
0.07 c, right? I think so.
What
To
proportion?
find out the percentage, pop it into the normal probability applet.
Yeah, and
The
it's
percentage.
less than the mean.
By just highlighting the thing, right? So we need our z-score, right?
I think so.
I think
Yeah.
we need a z-score.
Yeah, I think we do need a
I think we
Z-score.
need a z-score.
Yeah.
Okay,
So what would that
Good
be?
thinking.
Good
So-
thinking.
Well, we'll see, right?
Yeah, we'll find out. We'll find out real soon.
Okay, so we okay.
So I don't have my calculator. Can you calculate it? I can get my calculator.
I just have my phone with the calculator right now.
Okay. I'm trying to look look at. Okay, there's what I wrote down.
Yeah. I'm looking for
Z
the
equals. So we don't know the variable.
The z-score? Yeah. Did someone find the z-score? Yeah. It's x minus 0.65 over 0.07 to equal the z-score. My daughter used calculator, and now I can't find it.
Oh, I think
Other one.
we're doing 0.6 minus 0.65, and then finding what the less than value. Okay.
minus.
So
Oh, because you type in 0.6 for the x, is what
So-
you're saying.
0.6?
Population.
So that's negative 0.05 divided by 0.07.
Which is negative 0.714? Or am I at?
Yeah.
Okay.
Negative.
It's negative what?
That's what I'm
Point,
getting.
yeah.
Yeah, I got negative 0.714. Or am I way?
285.
Don't,
0.7.
Yeah. So
Is that what you got?
yeah, negative 0.7142857.
Yep. So do we put that,
then-
is that the answer? Or what do we time?
No, that's just the score.
The z-score.
So we're looking for the people that need
Wait.
less than that amount. So we just highlight the farthest to the left.
7.
Okay, so we type in the z-score, hit return, and only highlight the left, right?
Yes.
And that gives us.
Okay, so I'm a little confused. What do we do after we
7.
get the 0.0714?
That's the z-score, and we punch it to the probability applet,
Okay. Oh, okay.
and then we get point. And then when we highlight only the left, we get 0.2376, which means 0.238.
Okay, so we
Would
type
be our
this
answer,
on,
right?
we do this on the left or on the right?
Well, since it's a negative,
The
it's going to
left.
go on
Well-
the left.
Okay.
And then you only highlight the left also, right?
So
Yeah.
what
Yeah,
about,
that's what I did.
what's
Okay.
the area? Okay, hold on. Okay.
And the area is our answer because that's the population, I hope. That's the
Point
proportion of the population, right?
0.38.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I type, I'm a little confused here. So when I type the negative 0.74 on the left, it says the positive on the other side, the 714 on the right, correct?
Yes.
Yes.
And then, but the area it's 4.4752. Is that what you got?
No, for area I got 0.238.
How come I'm not getting? How come I'm doing something wrong here then?
Did you highlight just the blue part, just the left? Is that the only thing that's highlighted?
It's highlighted. It's actually the right is highlighted.
Okay, so click on the left to highlight it.
Okay, now,
So now what's your answer?
It's still the same.
Maybe click enter to like recalculate it. Are the numbers at the bottom the same?
It's the same. I have on the left, I have negative 0.74, and then on the right I have 0.74, and then in the area I have
714. You're supposed to have 714.
So 0.714.
0.714.
On the left.
Yep, negative 0.714.
That's what you need.
And then on the right, it's I have 0.74.
Don't worry about right.
Yeah. Okay, in the area I still have the same.
You hit
enter. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on.
And you have 0.714.
Point on the left.
Yep, on the left it's negative 0.714.
Correct.
That's weird. And it's highlighted on the left?
And you pushed 3 through.
Yep.
That's weird.
Only the left highlighted.
Yeah.
It's hard when we can't see the screen, so it's like...
Let me take a picture, and then I'll show you, okay?
That's all right. And okay, and so while you're doing that, should we go on to question 14?
Move forward?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. I'll figure that out later. Sorry.
No, you're totally fine, because I want to figure it out.
So what was the answer?
0.238.
That's what I have.
Cutting off. What is it again?
0.238.
0.238. Okay, thanks. Okay, so
and then for the next one, we just highlight the middle one and the one on the right.
Okay, I have 0.7624.
Me too.
I got 7624. Is that what you got?
Yeah, that's what I got.
0.7624?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it'd be 0.762.
62. I need to figure that out. 0.762.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you send us a picture of your screen, that'll probably do the trick. We'll probably understand what you're doing.
Yeah. All right. What proportion? Less than.
So the next one is the same, except the proportion is now changed to 0.7. So 0.7 minus 0.65 divided by 0.7. So 71428.571.
What's the Z-score?
0.71428.571.
Say that one more time.
0.71428.571.
That's long.
Is that like the same?
Yeah, I think that was. But what's highlighted?
How can that be?
I think it just shows the first 3 after the decimal, but it still takes into account the rest. Because the answer, I believe, is different.
So
it's 238. Was that our answer the first time?
Yeah.
238. Yeah.
So we do it again. 0.238.
What's the answer?
That's
0.238.
That's all I really know. How to do, I don't know what else it could be.
What did we get the answer as? 0.728?
That was for
No, but 238.
that was for
Yeah, because
14.
it's the same.
Oh, 238. Oh.
0.238 was 13 and also 15.
13 and 15. Well, what happened? 60 and point.
Oh wait, less than.
It's less than?
Less than 70. The first one, okay, 15 is less than. So do we just
Yeah,
have the
I did
2
the
on the
same.
left and
I did the
2?
I just did the 1 on the left because more than is the 2 on the right, but less than is just the 1 on the left, I think.
Just 1 on the left or the 2 on the left?
Just 1.
So the far.
Because I thought it would be 2, but okay.
Less than.
So that's 238 again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what? Completed is more than 60. I hope we're doing this right. I'm so confused.
We'll find out real soon, right?
Yeah.
3 more questions.
All right, and then we can find out.
One more question, right?
Yeah. We have 16,
Yeah.
17, and 18.
Find the probability. Yeah. Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between zero point 0.6 and 0.7. Okay. Hint. Remember that to find the area between two values, shade to the left of each z-score you calculate and then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. Okay. So we do that. First we find the z-scores, so like we know the z-scores for those two. And then first we find the area above 0.6, and then we find the area below 0.7, and we find the difference.
Okay.
And how do we do that?
That's
Totally.
the point, but not how we do it. How do we do it, right?
The z-scores. So, does anyone still have it written down, the z-score for 0.6?
Yeah.
Isn't it the
0.74,
same?
wasn't it?
The
Yeah,
z-scores were different, like just barely different.
Oh. Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh wait, we have those answers.
You know what? I missed 13. I'm sorry. Sorry to interrupt. I don't have the answer for 13. I don't know what happened.
13 is, at least what I have, is 0.238. Is that right?
Yep.
3.8. I don't know what happened. It's just not. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. And then what about for 14? That's what I have
14
for
is
14.
0.76.
Oh, okay. So I think I was doing something wrong. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thanks. Got it.
You're welcome. So we're looking for 0.762 minus 0.238.
Okay, so
So 0.524 is the, yeah, so that's the probability. 0.524, if we're correct with those.
Yeah.
okay, so
And that's the answer, right?
Yes.
0.524.
0.524.
Yep, 524.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. And then find the 35th percentile for protein requirements for adults. So that was typing in the area as 0.35, and then taking the z-score and plugging it into the thing I called the reverse formula.
Which the z-score is 0.385.
I got, yeah, that's 0.385 times the standard deviation, which was 0.07.
0.07. Okay.
Plus the mean, which was 0.65.
0.65. Okay, let me see. Times 7 plus 1.5, right?
Give me a second and I'll give you what I got.
Times 0.7 plus 1.
Okay. What did you guys get?
I'm still working it out.
Okay.
What did you get?
I got 0.67695.
0.65.
0.65.
What was that?
You got 0.65? Is that what you got?
No.
That's not what I got.
No, that's not what I got.
No. Okay, let me do this again.
I got 0. Okay.
0.6765, right?
Okay, my next class is with her.
So yeah.
0. So the answer is 0.667?
No, what did you get? 667 or 676?
I got 0.67695, so rounded to 3 decimal places is 0.677.
Okay.
And then, how much more time do we have? Just 5 minutes?
Oh yeah, hold on. Okay, so what do you? I didn't get that. Hold on. So you got 0.667?
0.677.
Yeah.
Oh, 0.6677.
No,
7.
677.
Oh, okay.
0.67.
It's cutting off. It's cut off. Okay, so.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so who wants to submit it?
Oh wait, what was
We have one.
I? Yeah, I was like, I was just gonna see. I was like, wait, did I miss one? We have 18, right?
No, we have one more left. So if we type in 0.8 for 80%, we get a z-score of 0.842.
Yes. Times
Right?
0.07.
Okay, so
that's right. We'll just do that real fast.
Okay, hold on. Okay. 6.77 times. Let's see.
I got 0.70894.
So that'd be 0.709.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So should we all submit or just one submit?
I can just submit. If you guys are, do you want me to?
Okay.
And then I'll take. All right, okay.
Sure.
I'll let you guys know what's. All right, submitted. All right. Good. We're doing good. Okay. Okay. So question 15. Question 17. And that's it.
15 and 16? No, 15.
No. 15 and 17.
Okay, what did we put for?
Okay, so for 15,
What did we put for 15?
For 15, we put.
I put
I put 0.238.
For 15?
Oh no, it's 0.76 because it's 0.762 because it's less than 70%. So you had to highlight both ones.
Dang it.
So it'd
Okay.
be 0.762.
Point what? 6.2?
0.762
For
number
17.
15.
For number 15.
No, number 15 is 0.762.
Okay. I'm writing.
Okay.
And what was the other one?
0.762. All right. All right. So the last one
For number 15.
was 17, which I put 0.677.
17?
Yeah, that's what I have too.
Okay.
For what word? 17?
Yeah, 7. So
But 18 was correct, right?
Yep, 18 was correct.
So, I'm sorry, what did you put for number 17?
I put for number 17 0.677, but that's wrong.
So, how come I have 0.524?
I'm not sure, but I know that 0.677 is wrong. So good thing you don't have that down.
What do you have, Genevieve?
I have 0.677.
Why am I doing? I'm afraid that I'm writing this thing wrong.
we redo it, find where we went wrong. So it was 35 percentile, so 0.35 in the area, right?
Yeah.
And that's a score of 0.385. And then we figure out, whoever has, you want to recalculate that and see if we get the same thing?
Okay, hold up. I'm looking at it right now.
Okay.
As an answer, I got 0.67695, which should be 0.677.
Which is the same thing. So
It
we
is the
just take a
same.
hit and do and go.
Seriously, I'm cool with that because
Yeah, that's fine. It's been long.
yeah, and we've been working hard.
I don't know what we did wrong. Thinking one wrong is good.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, and if I think if I had an idea of what we could like fix or like what we needed to do, like we just did this wrong, then maybe I would be willing to work it.
Yeah, but I have no idea what we did wrong.
Yep. No idea.
Because we got the key, right?
Yeah.
I can ask my father.
Please ask your father, and maybe he can join us sometime.
Yeah, maybe.
Or just email us and tell us what we did wrong or something. If you figure it out.
All right.
Because I have no idea.
Me neither. It should be right, I think.
All right. I'm just gonna go with one wrong out of all of them.
Yeah, that's what I did.
And call it good. All right, and wait, hold up.
Me
Just to be clear, 15, because that was the one I got wrong. 15 is 0.762.
Check. Yes.
0.762. Okay, cool. I don't know where I got that at.
Actually, I got 2 answers wrong. I don't know why.
Oh, which one did you get wrong?
I got 16 and 17.
What do you have for 16?
For 16, I have 238.
No, it's 0.524.
Oh, you know what? I switched the answers. No wonder. Oh, because I'm so frustrated because I need to go and everything. Okay, so let's see. I'm sorry. Okay, and also it's cutting off a lot. So for 16, I got. What do you have for 16? Are you there?
16 or?
16 is
Yeah, it's 0.524.
5.52. What?
0.524.
Okay. Okay. And let me see. I think, and the 17 is the one that we got wrong. And then what do you got for 14?
14. I got 0.762.
Okay. All right. So it's just the one, right? 85%. Okay.
Yeah, just
Yeah. I'll ask about it and see if he knows.
All right.
Email.
All right.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Well, thank you, ladies. I
All
need
right.
to go to tutoring or something to.
I'm glad that we were able to get it all figured out.
Yeah. All right.
Bye.
Okay,
Okay,
bye.
bye-bye.